Today in this video we shall discuss how to solve trigonometric equations. That means from a trigonometric equation how to get the value of the angles or the solution of the angles which are the general solutions. Okay. The first problem it is given sin 2 theta equal to cos theta. So sin 2 theta, what is the formula we know? 2 sin theta cos theta, and changing the side of cos theta it will be 2 sin theta cos theta minus cos theta. Now taking cos theta common, that is cos theta into 2 sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So from this equation we can say that either cos theta equal to 0, from that if cos theta equal to 0, that means theta equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Already we learned the formula. And if 2 sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0, that is sin theta equal to 1 by 2, that is sin pi by 6, then theta will be n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power n into pi by 6, where n belongs to z, that is n is any integer. Okay. So the required general solutions are 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 or n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power n into pi by 6, where n is any integer. Okay. Another problem it is given sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x is equal to 0. So take this sin x and sin 5x together. What is the formula of sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay. Using this formula and using this formula on sin x plus sin 5x, and this sin 3x remains separate. Okay. So it will be 2 sin 3x cos minus 4x by 2, that is cos of minus 2x, and we know cos of minus theta equal to cos theta, so that cos of minus 2x, that is equal to cos 2x. Now taking sin 3x common, it will be sin 3x into 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means either sin 3x is equal to 0. So 3x equal to n pi, where n is any integer, that is x equal to n pi by 3, where n is any integer, and or 2 cos 2x plus 1 equal to 0. From that we will get cos 2x is equal to minus half, that is cos pi minus pi by 3, that is cos 2 pi by 3. So ultimately the general solution, the formula of general solution, if cos x equal to cos theta, then x is equal to 2n pi plus minus theta. Okay. So from that 2x is equal to 2n pi plus minus this 2 pi by 3. Dividing by 2 both sides, we will get x is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3, where n is any integer. So the general solution is theta equal to n pi and n pi plus minus pi by 3, where n is any integer. Another problem, cos 4x equal to cos 2x. So we have to expand this cos 4x using the formula of cos 2 theta, that is 2 cos square 2x minus 1, changing the side of cos 2x, and by factorization we will get 2 cos 2x plus 1 into cos 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Either this term equal to 0, from that we will get cos 2x equal to minus 1 by 2, that is cos pi minus pi by 3, cos 2 pi by 3. So this 2x will be 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3, that is x equal to, dividing both sides by 2, n pi plus minus pi by 3. Okay. Again for this term, that is cos 2x minus 1 equal to 0, that will be cos 2x equal to 1. From that we will get 2x equal to 2n pi, that is x equal to n pi, where n is any integer. So the general solutions are n pi plus minus pi by 3 and n pi, where n is any integer. Another problem, it is given that sin x plus cos x equal to root 2 cos x. So changing the side of root 2, 1 by root 2 cos x plus 1 by root 2 sin x, that is equal to cos 2x. Okay, 1 by root 2 means cos pi by 4, again 1 by root 2 means sin pi by 4. So cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, that is cos a minus b, that is cos pi by 4 minus x equal to cos 2x. So ultimately by general solution 2x equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 4 minus x, where n is any integer. Now taking positive, 2x equal to, taking this plus sign, this one, from that 3x, changing the side of x, 3x will be this one, that is x equal to 2 by 3 into n pi plus pi by 12, and taking this negative sign, it will be 2x equal to 2n pi minus pi by 4 minus x. That will be x equal to 2n pi minus pi by 4, where n is an integer. So, the general solutions are x equal to 2 by 3 into n pi plus pi by 12 and 2n pi minus pi by 4, where n is any integer. Another problem is given, tan square theta plus sec 2 theta is equal to 1. So, sec 2 theta means 1 by cos 2 theta, that is 1 plus tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta, and we change the side of this tan square theta, it goes to the right hand side. So, it becomes 1 minus tan square theta. Now, cross multiplying 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to 1 minus tan square theta whole square. Expanding this whole square, then changing the side, we will get tan to the power 4 theta minus 3 tan square theta equal to 0. Tan square theta common, that is tan square theta into tan square theta minus 3 equal to 0. So, tan square theta equal to 0, that means tan theta equal to 0. So, theta equal to n pi, where n is any integer, and tan square theta minus 3 is equal to 0, that is tan theta equal to plus minus root 3, that is tan plus minus pi by 3. So, theta equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3. Okay. So, these are the required general solution.